Video number 3. In this video, we will discuss stanza 2 of the poem on killing a tree. Stanza 2. So hack and chop, but this alone won't do it. Not so much pain will do it. The bleeding bark will heal, and from close to the ground will rise curled green twigs, miniature boughs, which, if unchecked, will expand again to former size. Here, the poet tells us that much effort is needed to kill a tree. If you cut and chop the bark of trees into many pieces, it will not be sufficient to destroy the tree. The point of the tree which gets cut gives out sap, just like a human being bleeds. Gradually, this would heal, and from there, new branch will start growing again. It is needed to be hacked and chopped. It cannot be done by so much pain that will be caused to tree. The bleeding bark of tree will heal one day. From ground, the curled green twigs, miniature boughs. That means the twisted and small branches will rise again if not cut properly. So, it is needed to be uprooted properly. Word meanings. Hack means cut roughly by striking heavy blows. Chop means to cut into pieces. Bleeding bark means the secretion of liquid from the bark when it is cut with a sharp object. Curled with twist and graceful moves. Miniature, tiny and small. Boughs means branches. Unchecked means not being stopped. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. How should we kill a tree? Question number 2. What rises from close to the ground? Question number 3. What is the meaning of miniature boughs?